Hi everyone, here's Abdul, and here is a quick update of the Baltic review. If you saw my review of the Baltic MR01, I put it on the time graph and the numbers weren't quite right. Let's keep it like this. And I contacted Baltic, who promptly contacted me back to send the watch back to them. And they did. And I thought it would take like 20 days, but now almost a week. And the watch is back, and they even provided me with the rate plus 17 seconds per day, the amplitude 249, and the beat error 0.3, which is pretty good for the watch. And like I said, the green leather, and I when I contacted them, I told them I really liked also the blue leather, and what they did is they sent me the blue as well. So thanks so much, Baltic, for the quick, let's say, work for the watch, because I really wanted to take it on my next vacation, and it's right on time. So thanks, Baltic, and yeah, I'll definitely put it on the time grapher to check it myself, but I just got it, so I just wanted to give you guys a heads up who watched the review on Sunday that the watch is back, and I feel like it's polished somehow. Yeah, it took a nice has a nice polish to it. Yeah, anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll keep it short and see you in the next one, and I will try to link the review of this watch here, so be sure to watch the review if you didn't watch it.